Hello Windows Universe. In this video we'll talk about how to change the user account name in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. To change the user account name in Windows 10 using the control panel, what you'll want to do is open up the control panel. Click on all control panel items. Go to User Accounts. Click on Manage Another Account, and for the local account, click on it. You'll see Change the Account Name. Just enter in the new account name, click on Change Name, and you're all set. If we would want to change the user account name using netplwiz, first, you'll probably want to create a system restore point. That's pretty simple to do. Just type in system restore. Click on create a new restore point. Follow the on-screen prompts to create it. Once it's created, then you want to open a run box, which is Windows and R. Type in netplwiz and click OK. Select the username. Click Properties. And here you can just change the username. Then click Apply and OK. Restart your computer and see if the change has taken effect. After you change using the netplwiz method, your personal folder will continue to display the old username. You can let it remain as it is, or you can rename the user folder. Now, once again, create a restore point first. Then, we'll want to open the registry editor. Go to HKey Local Machine, then Software. Look for Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and look for Profile List. You'll see several folders like S15, 18, 19, 20, 21. Search through them until you find the profile image path pointing to your old username. Double click on it, replace your old username with your new username, restart your computer, and make sure that the changes have taken effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.